Hello students, this is Priyanka from Sandport Institute Badagami. So in this particular video, I will be giving you the updates of PGCT 2021 as well as I will be discussing about the WRD HK workshop, that is interview workshop, which we are conducting on 22nd and 23rd October 2021. First, let me give you the details about PGCT 2021. See, as you guys know, tomorrow, that is 22nd October, was the exam date announced earlier, but they have postponed the exam, and the new exam dates for upcoming PGCT, that is PGCT 2021, will be on November 13th for MTech. So remember the date, ನಿಮ್ದು ಹೊಸ ಡೇಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಇರೋದು November 13th 2021. Okay, so lot of students were having the confusion and they were asking me ki, when will the exam happen. So you can say that it is 20 days from today. And that time when the students were taking admission for PGCET, they were asking ki, ma'am, will I be having the time to cover the syllabus and all. I used to tell like usually the exam gets postponed, and it got postponed by 20 days. See, 20 days in preparation time is not a short duration enough. All right. And the same thing is happening for PWD also. PWD judgment came on 8th September 2021, and today it is October 21st 2021. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ 8th ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಂಬರ್ದಾಗ ಜಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಂತಿದ್ರು, ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ 1 month ಒಳಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, 2 month ಒಳಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ. ಸೊ ದ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ವೇರ್ ಲಿಟಲ್ ರಿಲಕ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ PWD ಕೋರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ that time only I used to tell ki exam will not happen that sudden, because WRD, when the notification happened last year in June, so they announced the exam date this year June, and they gave 1 month time for exam. ಸೊ ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ 1 month ಟೈಮ್. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡಿ ಡೌಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಡೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ನೀವು ಅವಾಗ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ವಿದಿನ್ 1 month ಯುವರ್ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ವುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬೀನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್, PWD, AE or JE technical, because I told you it is just 120 hours, and if you study just 4 hours or 3 hours per day, you can complete the syllabus within 40 days. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಂಬರ್ 8th ಜಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. ನೀವು ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಂಬರ್ 15th or 20th ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರು ಇವತ್ತು October 21st ಐತಿ. ಸೊ 1 month ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ದು ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತರೊಳಗೆ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಮುಗಿತಿತ್ತು. So never worry about that. Still you are having time, so you can definitely consider joining the classes of Sandpoint for PWD, where we have designed very systematically, wherein we are providing PDFs for high weighted subjects also. We are providing chapter wise test series also, and entire syllabus is covered as per PWD only. And the next important update for PGCET is, yes, this is very good news for the students who have made mistakes while filling the PGCET application form. So yesterday itself, that is on 20th October 2021, they have released the link in official KEA website that you can edit the application form. ಸೊ ಡೈಲಿ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 2-3 ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು, ಈವನ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸು ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು, ಮೇಡಮ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರನ ಇನ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನಮ್ದು ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆಗೈತಿ, ನಮ್ಮದು CGPA ಕನ್ವರ್ಷನ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆಗೈತಿ, ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆಗೈತಿ, ಸಮ್ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ಸ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆಗ್ಯಾವು. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ದ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡನ್, ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೆಕ್ಟಿಫೈ ಆಲ್ ದೋಸ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ಸ್, and it is available for you from today. So I suggest you guys to visit PGCET, that is KEA website, and make the changes in your application form, and see to it that you will not commit the mistake again, because when you are filling the form of PGCET 2021, in that video I made it very clear that don't commit the mistakes, but still you mistake madidre, that's okay, that's fine now. So you have got a second chance to make the correction. So visit the website and make the corrections accordingly. So these were two important updates of PGCET 2021. And now coming to WRD HK interview guidance, what Sandpoint is offering on 22nd and 23rd October. So tomorrow and day after tomorrow from 10 to 5, we will be guiding the students, we will be training the students on WRD HK interview. So first day we will be guiding on HR, that is how to introduce yourself, how should be your resume, how you should respond for the questions for which you are not knowing the answers. So we are discussing lot of stuffs. We are training you till half day, and after the lunch break we will be taking mock interview of you guys, and after the mock interview for individually we will be giving you the inputs accordingly, that how you have to improve yourself. ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇದು ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬರೀ ಒನ್ ವೇ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು, ಬರೀ ನಾವು ಹೇಳೋದು ನೀವು ಹ್ಞೂ ಅದು ಕೇಳೋದು ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವಿ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸಿ ಯು ಹೌ ಯು ಗಿವ್ ದ ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್. ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಯು ದ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ಸ್. And this mock interview, HR, whatever the guidance training will be done, it will be done by a MBA HR professional only, who is expert in this field and who has conducted lot of training programs for the students. Okay, and second day it will be completely technical, wherein from every subject which are the important topics we will be sharing. So at least 3 to 4 resource persons will be there tomorrow who will be devoting their time for individual subjects, and we will be telling you ki which are the important questions in every subject very systematically, very properly till half day again, and after that we will be taking the technical interview for you guys. Okay, so some of the students are saying ki ma'am, I haven't studied for technical subjects and all, then how will I face the interview? So ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಈಗ ಓದೋದು ನೆಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, because you don't know what you have to study, how you have to study, because lot of students for this interview whoever have shortlisted, they are freshers. All right, freshers in the sense they haven't given interview for anything till now. ಸೊ ನಾಳೆ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನು ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಿಮಗೊಂದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತೈತಿ ಲೈಕ್ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಏರಿಯಾಸ್ I have to improve upon. And as I told you guys earlier ki once you go back home, you improvise on whatever the things we will be saying, and again we will be in touch over Google Meet or over call till your interview happens. So I will take that 100% responsibility and I will guide you till you attend your interview. So that 100% assurance is from my end. And now attending the training program, it's your decision, because you guys are feeling ki you want it online, Belgaum is far to you from Gulbarga, Raichur and all. See, when something is given for the students, you have to take the benefit of this. Okay, because once you commit these kind of mistakes in the interview, you will not get this opportunity again in your life. All right, so ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ laziness ಬಿಟ್ಟು try attending this, and this is for your benefit, and I will give you 100% guarantee that there will be lot of takeaway from this particular workshop, 2 days workshop. ನೀವು ಭಾಳ ಕಲಿತು ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಿ, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಫೀಲ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಎಂಟಿ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡೆಡ್ ಟು ಯುವರ್ ಹೋಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್, at the max I will be taking 30 registrations only for this interview program, not more than that. So already more than half of the seats are filled. Okay, so ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾರು ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಿರಿ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ 50, 60 something like that, it's practically impossible for us to take the mock interview for you guys. So I don't want this to be something like a one-way coaching kind of. I want it to be a two-way interaction so that I can devote the time for you guys individually. That is more important, as interview will be done in your actual exam individually. So I want to keep it in that fashion, very professional, very systematic. And if you guys get your notes when you are coming, that is really good, because when we talk about important topics, so you can turn up the pages and you can mark there only. All right, so saying this, I suggest you guys to register for this course and take the benefit of this, and stay tuned with Sandpoint on Stream YouTube channel for more important and quick updates with respect to civil engineering. All the best.